Hello dear viewers, today we're gonna be fixing this Polish piece of garbage mower. Woo! So here's the guilty rotor thing. You can see this one, of course, doesn't move. This one does move, you see? It's not supposed to do that. Right. Let's take this pan off. See what we got underneath. Oh my god. Nice. Good stuff. Well, you can just put that on the side. Oh no. It's disgusting. Everything's with oil. Yes. Right. That's pretty much all the oil gone. There's a little ring thingy right there, which you should open with a special tool, which I of course do not have. God damn it. I'll just improvise, I guess. Guys, I just noticed a really big problem. This whole upper shield thingy is broken. You see that? That's broken, completely cracked off. Possibly might be able to weld this though. I just need to maybe clean it off and stuff, and then maybe, just maybe, it's weldable. Oh, yes. Good stuff. Oh, Jesus. Oh, and yeah, I can see the broken bearing. Here's the bearing that broke. Look at this. Ta-da! Okay, I took apart this top shield a bit more, and yeah, it's quite broken. See, this is broken off, this is broken off, this other piece was broken off. Hello everyone, we are back. Next day, we got some new parts, we got new bearings, and we got the new upper shield thingy. Nice. These look pretty good actually, I think. This is worn out a little bit. That's still usable, of course. Okay, I tighten all the blade thingies up. Now let's attach it to the barrel thingy. Right, for now this thing is completely together. Might need to tighten it better once it's on the mower. Let's just put on the new bearings now. Right, here are the new bearings. One is slightly bigger than the other. Yes, very good, very nice. The bigger one goes in first, then it's the smaller one. Right, that's on. Very nice, very good. Now we just have to put in this bad boy. And the shortest side from this middle plate goes up. Right, this whole system is together. Just need to put on the last ring, shield thingy, that one over there. Everything is nice and spinny. Nothing moves or anything. So very good. Just put on the last shield and we can flip it over and put it on a tractor and start the tractor and see if anything still makes weird noises and stuff. Yeah, kind of like that. Just need to tighten these and I can flip it over and put it on the tractor. Easy. So that's what happens when you drive in very long grass. No, this one's fine. This one's gonna be fun to remove.